was trying to do some rides today, show the experience of snow falling the first time this year, 2026. I hope you're going to really enjoy. So I'm taking my bike. It's a little bit risky, but I'll try to take some ride a little bit and enjoy. So look what is happening outside, how the snow is falling. It's really cold, but really nice. It's around 6 inches right now. Everybody is in the house. So lovely. Yeah, so barely you can see, by the way. You can barely see because it's just pouring on my eyes. Somebody's skidding there. So it's that bad when the snow is falling. You cannot ride, you cannot drive. But luckily it's not really bad right now, so that's why I'm riding my bike, show you around, see what is happening. It's getting colder and colder. It's a nice time to show you around, guys. Sometimes I do some videos, but I've never done such a video like this. I think I'm going to ride a mile and go back real quick, back home, go and warm up with some hot tea. It's not easy to ride, by the way. I tell you, it's not easy to ride here. The road is so muddy with ice. I think that's far I can go. When you see somebody with his shovel, trying to get the snow out of the walkway. See the snow, how it's falling. Some guys are warming their cars while still in the house. See the neighborhood. Oh, the snowstorm flaring. Yeah. So there's a candy sack over there. So I'm going to turn around again, go back the same route I came, or I'll take a different route. Enjoy the video, guys. It's so cool, so nice. Pakuna kamteremko. It's like the speed kwa sababu it's very easy to fall. But it's not so bad. Not so bad, but it's still very, very cold. Oh man. See what is happening? And the snow is falling, guys. My earlobes are really kind of numb as we speak right now. So the gari zinateremka, haijakuwa mbaya, kaa kutaendeka nione. We just leave the house because driving will be very dangerous. There are some vehicles out there. I have to give them some way that you can skid on me. Now this is better. Somebody was driving over here. But when it gets cold and the snow stops, it'll be very hard to drive here. Right now, if I try to use my brakes, I can fall very easily. Yeah. No, they're driving nicely. It's gonna be worse soon. Never rode a bike when the snow is falling, so it's gonna be a nice video. And guys, I know you will enjoy. See where I come from. I'm gonna stop somewhere here, look back, so that you can see where I have just come from. Yeah. White house full of snow. You probably won't be able to tell if it is a house or a big stone, you know. So I'm going to stop right there, try to show you where I've just come from. And then kunywa chai real quick. Moto. Hapa ni mteremko, I have to go slowly. Otherwise, if I try to slow down, I'm gonna fall. Watu wanaenda tu, lakini noma sana. Oh my ears are getting numb. Tabukan someone like you. Okay? Let me speed up and go home. I guess warm. I get warm very quickly. So that's the end of the trip. Bike yangu hapo, kimbia nyumbani, hata nashindwa kutembea, mikono naendelea kufreeze. Gosh, I feel like hapo kutembea vibaya naweza anguka. But I've done my best, so siniachi kila kitu hapo. Look at my garage, it's very dirty.